Dear all friends, good day, and I wish you all a very happy and joyful New Year 2026. These are our European client ordered 84-inch open mixing mill rollers. The roller diameter is 660 millimeter, and the roller working length up to 2.13 meters. All of them are peripheral drilled for better cooling. These are the mixing mill machine frames. These are bearing houses. Main driving motor and gearbox 250 kilowatts. Gearbox with double output shafts. If you have any interest, just feel free to contact me via my email at rubbermixing@126.com. You can also call me at 1-888-411-89355. Besides open two-roller mixing mill, my factory also design and making drop door type bamboo mixer, tilting type rubber kneader, batch off, rubber calendar with the whole calendar line. If any rubber machine of your help, just feel free to let me know anytime at your convenience. Thank you all.